Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to remove a file from Google Drive on your Android phone. So let's get started. First jump straight to the Google Drive and then head over to the file that you want to remove. I will just go to the file. As you can see on the third last file, I will remove the file named outro. On the right side you can see three dots, click on them and you can see the bunch of options here. Swipe up and as you can see on the third last option, remove, click on it and then it will ask you will be removed from view, collaborators will still have access. You just have to click on remove and there you go, the file has been successfully removed from your Google Drive. And the same method will apply to your folders or your any type of files. So let's say I want to delete this folder. I will just click on these three dots. I will just swipe up and you can see the remove icon here too. I will just click on move to trash and it will be deleted too. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe the channel and leave a like and comment to the video.